Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view at the Hux World. And today we got a nice watch face to check out by AXXO. This guy is definitely doing great work with watch faces. And the name of this watch face is called U-Boot. Very nice looking watch face, affordable in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you check this one out. Now, I'm liking this look. It's an analog look. I like the sweeping second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. And then the always on mode, it looks great for both the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. Now when the watch face is on, I like the look, I like the design, I like the traditional look of this watch face, and you do get the best of both worlds. You get analog and you also get digital. You also get your date to the left, right, and your day, and also down at the bottom you're going to get your heart rate information, and you're also going to get your steps, which is important to a lot of people. And if I tap right here, I can customize my shortcuts. The developer gives you 3 in all, and you can set them to however you see fit. Now, if you don't know how to set it and you accidentally set it, just double tap real fast and it will take you right back to the beginning. Let me do this again. There you go, and that's the beginning. So if you need to reset it, you can reset it to wherever you want, like find my phone, and I could tap on it again to go find my phone. So the developer offered a lot in this watch face, considering that the price is nice. And if I double tap, I can customize the color theme of the watch face, which I thought was really nice. And I'm gonna cycle through a few of them just to give you an idea of what you're gonna be in for when you download this watch face. So what do you think thus far, people? I'm thinking it's pretty nice. I like it. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 2. Now this one is nice. This one is called Elegant Submarine. Now I'm loving the thing. I'm loving the look of the background, and I'm loving the realism of this watch face. So I'm giving the developer 2 thumbs up in the door for this one. Now in the always on mode, it's going to pretty much look the same. You're going to get the same thing. The background is going to be black, but you're still going to get an elegant look in the AOD mode. And once it's on, of course, it's elegant. I like the look and design of this one. It stands out, and I really like how it looks real. Now I do like the sweeping second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which really brings the elegance out in this watch face. And I like the choice of arms that the developer used with this particular watch face as well. Now you will get your day and your date if you look to the right. Up at the top you will get the developer's name, and you come down all the way to the bottom, he gives you your step count. It's pretty cool. Now he also gives you where you can set favorites, just single tap. You can set an alarm if you like, and here you get an opportunity to set another one. He gives you 3 in all, which I thought was pretty cool, right? And you can change the color theme of the watch face. Double tap to whatever you want to color coordinate with, or just simply choose your favorite color. I'm going to cycle through a few of them just to let you see what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. And he gives you 12 in all, same with the one before it. Very nice of the developer. I love the offers, and for the price, this is not a bad look. What do you think, guys? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Listen, enjoy the weekend, party, have a great time, but most of all, remember, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.